Let me show you something that I think is super, super cool. Where am I with this? So, here is Wish. You guys heard of Wish? This is a very, very interesting e-commerce platform that we have just started selling our products on. And so one of the silver linings that we found as a result of coronavirus is that we moved a lot of our products to what's called FBM, fulfilled by merchant. As a result of that, I kind of thought it would be neat to look at other platforms to sell on, given that Amazon's introduced a lot of craziness with restrictions on what you can put in, although they're being slowly rolled back now. But for a time, there was a lot of restrictions. And so I looked at other ways of making money, of course, from Amazon. And I stumbled upon Wish. I say stumbled upon because it's been in my news feed on Facebook for friggin' ages, and I have just not really thought about it until recently. And so I did some research on it. Turns out it's friggin' fantastic. So if you didn't know, allow me to enlighten you. This particular platform is very, very mobile optimized. It's called Wish, so wish.com, and 500 million customers are using it around the world. 500 million customers are using it around the world. It's the third biggest e-commerce platform in the US by sales, the third biggest in the US, which is just nuts. Considering I hadn't really friggin' heard of it, that's nuts. It's made very, very specifically for mobile sales, and as such, the audience is younger. So this is unbelievable. If you are targeting people under 35 years of age, or could target people under 35 years of age, Wish is amazing. If you are targeting females under 35 years of age, which I do with some of my products, it is brilliant. It's a fan-bloody-tastic platform, and I wholeheartedly encourage you to go check it out. There are only, and this is the interesting part, for me at least, there are only 200,000 people around the world who are selling on Wish. Think about that for a second. There are only 200,000 people selling on Wish. When you compare that with how many people sell on Amazon or eBay or something like that, it is shockingly open as a marketplace. Like, this is, I think, at the very, very beginning of a crazy, crazy time with this particular platform. I would encourage you to check it out. Let me show you. It's free to join as well, which is kind of cool. There's no monthly fee like Amazon to pay. They take 15% of each sale, which is higher than Amazon. Amazon's between 8 and 12%, but these take 15% of each sale. And they also have a fulfillment service, but only in the USA, so fulfilled by Wish. But I wouldn't suggest you use it. I would instead suggest you use third-party logistics to get it fulfilled, because it seems, at least at first blush, it seems expensive, their fulfillment. But it's really frigging good. I mean, I've logged into it, I've signed up for it, we're uploading our products into it. It's a really, really interesting platform. This will be something that we're going to focus within my business a lot of our brands into, to diversify. One of the things I teach heaps is to diversify. You know, you don't want to be Jeff Bezos's bitch. You want to be as many different people's bitch as possible. Get your bitchy thing going on. But it makes sense to sell in a lot of different places. It truly does make sense. And these people, go check out their marketing. Their marketing is super, super smart. I'm going to share a link with you. Send to all. It's good for early adopter products. Absolutely, Kathy. You can target specific locations. Absolutely. It's in Australia as well. Yes. I thought Wish was mainly clothing. No, there's also, I did too. I thought Wish was mainly clothing. It is not. It is not. Turns out it's all sorts of crazy shit. Their marketing is very geared towards millennials. Interesting marketing, but it's all sorts of crazy shit. Females under 35 make up 60% of their market, but that's still a significant market for other things as well. So beauty, health, electrical, all very, very good on this platform. It's a cool platform. I really, really like it. I wish I would have discovered it earlier. Can you target specific locations? Yes. Is this a lower budget platform? Nope. Do you mean to register through? No, let me show you. You register through here. Oops. Here we go. I'll give you the link. It's merchant.wish.com. It's dead easy to register. Send to all. You just put in your details and your phone. You need a phone, mobile phone. That's it. Dead easy. Nothing to pay, nothing to do. You just start uploading stuff. I mean, it's so easy. It's so easy. It's like Amazon used to be 7 years ago. It's kind of like that. Yeah. Oh, your postman says this does more business than eBay and Amazon in Australia. How fascinating. How utterly fascinating. Very good marketing platform. I think we should definitely get our stuff onto it. There is clearly a lot of people shopping there. Third biggest e-commerce platform in America. Crazy. So what I'm going to do, just so you know, is I will just get all my stuff onto there. I'll figure it out. It looks pretty simple though. It looks very, very simple. All of these things tend to be very, very similar. And then I'll show you what I've done. There will definitely be an inner circle session on this. Absolutely. That's what I plan to do. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. Super cool. Get onto it. Make sure you like their page as well. You'll see their advertising. Their ads are very, very smart. I don't know who the hell's doing it, but they're very, very smart. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.